Welcome to Eagle Education. This is Shekhar Metla, software trainer. Today's topic, packages in Python language. What are the packages? What are the information when we call it as a package? The package system which is available in Python programming language, which is a IDE, will have a facility. Directly we can integrate the package and the segregation of these package modules, and we can use in our application development environment. Watch the more details for this video session.
Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to teach you about Python packages. The packages is another way to organize your project code. The many forms are there, and many modules are available in real-time scenario if you are going to using writing an enterprise applications. Like modules and packages we can distinguish, like email package is there, SMS package, marketing department package, e-commerce package. These are the different packages we may require to involve to build a web application, successful web application. Now see here, a package in simple terms we can say that a package is a container for a multiple modules in the file system. In terms of the package, we'll have like directories and all. That is what we call it as a package. With the project which we can use many directories, we may use it and related to the particular package. All right, like for an example here you can see in my display. In the shopping cart of e-commerce, you can say that men's category is there, women's category is there, and kids category. In common terms of these three categories, we'll have in shoes or their shirts, pants. For men shoes, men shirts, and men pants. Like women shoes, women shirts, men pants, and kids shoe, shirt, pants. These are the common three things are there for these three categories. These top categories we can call it as packages. Okay. And these three which are repeatedly commonly coming, these we can call it as modules. All right, this is the module we can use the same as women as well as kids. All right, this is the way we need to organize our code using the packages. We'll see now how to create a package. Earlier session we have seen a simple module how to create, like Python file we can call it as a module. In here there is a special way is there to create for package. We will see now how it will be created. On project of your Python, you can right click on the project. Here on the project you have to click in a mouse and click right click, and new you have to click on new, and see here file, new, search, scratch file, dictionary, directory, and Python package file. These are the things will be displayed here. If you hit Python package, there is an option is available here. Click Python package and name it that Python package. For example, I am giving e-commerce. E-commerce, I am given the package name. Like in a folder name, you can zoom it. Whereas Python, if you are chosen direct package, it is called there is having a special properties. We'll see now. And hit enter. The Python package will be created. Where it is created on project folder. See now it is in a folder. It is created with the special dot here. Have you seen here? And inside there is a file init py extension. This is an initialization of package. The double underscore file, and these are the folder and file. The Python like a PyCharm IDE will taken care to create automatically with this Python package with this help of this file. Okay, and it is available within the directory. Once we are going to be initializing this package, it will be called by using this file to call this particular package. And now see how to access this package files and how to write to in our app regular file of a Python module. We'll see now on package one more file I'm going to creating like called Python file, and now I am creating shipping. The file name is shipping.py, and Python file I am using, and hit enter. Module is created, and creating a function called calculation of shipping charges. Simply assume it, and terminate over here, and print. Yeah, and what I want to do, simple matter, cals underscore shipping, something information I am printing. Anything you have written here, it will be, you know that it will be treated as an output. Simple, I have written a file within the package called shipping, and how to import and use this particular package module in app.file. Simply you have to, what you want to write, you want to import the package along with the module. How it would be? Simply as a way import, first we need to mention the module name. First we need to import that particular package name with the correspondence of the module name. That's it. My package name is here is the e-commerce. E-commerce dot, what is the module name here? There, shipping. That's it. That's it. I can use and utilize this shipping functionalities what are available here. By importing likewise the package, we can utilize it. Now see, e-commerce dot utilizing that methods, shipping, shipping dot, what is the available of the method name is there? Calc shipping. See, in shipping, it's in a method name is calc underscore shipping. Now app.py, I'm calling package and the shipping module name and the method name. That's it. If I run this, what it will comes? Calc shipping. We have written, I'm mentioned here some meaningful text. I am calc shipping. Now run it. The same text is replicating here. That is very much pretty easy to use the packages. The number of packages you can create by simply modifying and implementing, and you can use it. And there is a shortcut method. Instead of writing these many lines and every time by calling that methods, there is an import you have to call. Simply see here, import here we are calling the package. No, you simply write from package like e-commerce dot shipping. You can import simply what is the function name is calc shipping. That's it. Now simply you can call it as a calc shipping. Here I can remove these other things. Simply you can call it the method. That's it. Run it, send, it will be available here. That is pretty easy. You can call multiple times. There's no worry about it. Multiple times you call the same method, it will be called multiple times. I'm calc shipping. Is it clear? Another way also, by using if you want to use from e-commerce only, if you want to import, yes, that is also possible. From e-commerce dot importing module, what is my module name is shipping. Now here, instead of calc shipping, you have to write shipping dot calc shipping. You have to write like this. Either ways, it can be possible to invoke the packages of the modules. Now the calc shipping. There's many ways are there. As you were wish to import packages or modules and use to develop your web applications using Python.
I hope it will be helpful to you. Thanks for watching Eagle Education. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. For more details, if any required regarding this tutorial, watch the below description where my contact details are available. Thank you.